You walk into an important meeting, extend your arm, and deliver a wet, dead fish. There is nothing that screams insecurity louder than a weak handshake. It's awkward for you, it's disappointing for them, and biologically, it's a giant red flag. Science has shown that grip strength is one of the best indicators of longevity and overall health. If your hands are weak, your nervous system assumes your whole body is fragile. Can't open the jar of jam? We have a problem. But don't worry, today, we are going to turn those butterfingers into hydraulic presses. In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you why your forearms aren't growing, even if you do 1,000 bicep curls. We are going to look at the 3 types of grip you need to train to have functional hands, avoid elbow pain, and project instant respect without saying a word. And the best part, you can do it with things you already have at home or at the gym. Having a strong grip isn't just squeezing hard. You need to master 3 mechanisms. Step 1, the support grip, the farmer. This is pure endurance. If you can't carry your own weight, forget about it. The king of exercises here is the farmer's walk. Grab the heaviest dumbbells you can hold, or 2 water jugs, and walk. Keep your posture straight. Don't let your shoulders slump. Walk until your forearms burn and your fingers open up on their own. Step 2, the pinch grip, the forgotten thumb. Most people train the 4 fingers and forget the thumb. The thumb is 40% of your hand. Grab 2 weight plates, or a heavy book, and hold them just by pinching them with your fingers and thumb. If your thumb is weak, your hand is weak. Period. Step 3, the extension, the antagonist. This is where everyone fails. If you only train closing your hand, you will develop imbalances and your elbow will hurt. Tennis elbow. You need to train opening. Put a rubber band around your fingers and open them against the resistance. This is your forearm's insurance policy. Now don't sabotage your gains with these mistakes. The abuse of straps. If you use lifting straps just to warm up or to do rows with light weight, you are atrophying your hands. Use them only when your back can handle more than your hands, but never before. Overtraining. Hand tendons take longer to recover than muscles. If you crush your grip every day to failure, welcome to tendinitis. Give it a rest. Ignoring real life. You don't need fancy machines. Hang from a towel, squeeze a tennis ball while reading, carry all the grocery bags in one trip. Let's put that handshake on steroids. Your plan for this week, twice a week, at the end of your routine. Day A, brute force. 3 sets of farmer's walks, 30 to 60 seconds walking. Go heavy. Day B, detail and health. 3 sets of pinch grip, hold plates or books for max time, plus 3 sets of extensions with a rubber band. Daily bonus. Every time you open a door, squeeze the handle with intention, not with laziness. A strong grip changes how you interact with the world. Weights feel lighter, pull-ups are easier, and of course no one will ever think you're a dead fish when shaking your hand again. If you want to put that new grip to the test, you need to apply it to the ultimate exercise. Click here to see how to get your first pull-up, where your grip will be your best ally. Stop having butterfingers, subscribe, and squeeze hard.